Have you ever heard someone say, if you feel pain on your right side during pregnancy, it's definitely a boy? Or maybe someone told you that your cravings could reveal your baby's gender? These kinds of ideas have been passed down for generations, and today we're going to talk about them. Which signs might actually tell you if you're having a boy or a girl, and which ones are just myths? Before we jump in, if you're preparing for your baby's arrival, I've added a list of baby products I personally recommend down in the description. They're safe, gentle, and honestly, some of my favorites as both a doctor and a mom. Now, let's talk about one of the most common beliefs, that if you feel pain in 4 specific areas, the right side of your belly, your lower back, your right hip, and your inner right thigh, it's a strong sign you're carrying a boy. Sounds specific, right? But in truth, those kinds of discomforts are usually caused by the way the uterus is growing, your posture changing, and even the baby's position. They can happen in any pregnancy, no matter the baby's sex. So while it might feel like a clue, it's not a reliable one. And then we have the classic old wives' tales. They say if your belly is round and high, you're having a girl. If it's low and pointy, it's a boy. Craving sweets? Girl. Craving salty snacks? Boy. They even say your skin and hair can give it away, like acne and dull hair meaning a girl because she's stealing your beauty, while glowing skin and thick hair would point to a boy. Some people also believe the baby's heart rate is a clue. Above 140 beats per minute? Girl. Below that? Boy. Now, I know a lot of parents who swear these signs worked for them, and it's fun, I get it. But medically speaking, none of these are accurate predictors of your baby's gender. They're not harmful to think about, just don't rely on them if you're looking for the truth. So how can you know for sure? The only real way is through medical testing. Ultrasounds around 16 to 20 weeks can usually tell, depending on the baby's position. Or you can do a blood test as early as 8 weeks, something called non-invasive prenatal testing, which can detect fetal DNA in your bloodstream and determine the baby's sex with over 99% accuracy. So how can you know for sure? The only real way is through medical testing. Ultrasounds around 16 to 20 weeks can usually tell, depending on the baby's position. Or you can do a blood test as early as 8 weeks, something called non-invasive prenatal testing, which can detect fetal DNA in your bloodstream and determine the baby's sex with over 99% accuracy. And yet, even with all this science, there's something kind of magical that still stands out. A mother's intuition. Many studies have shown that moms who just feel like they're having a boy or a girl are right more often than chance. Sometimes up to 70 or even 80% of the time. It's amazing, isn't it? It shows how deeply connected you are with your baby, even before birth. But let's be honest. Whether it's a boy or a girl, what really matters is that your baby is healthy and loved. All these signs, myths, and guesses are part of the fun, but they're not what defines the journey. Every pregnancy is unique. Your symptoms, your feelings, your cravings, they're all part of your personal story. But let's be honest. Whether it's a boy or a girl, what really matters is that your baby is healthy and loved. All these signs, myths, and guesses are part of the fun, but they're not what defines the journey. Every pregnancy is unique. Your symptoms, your feelings, your cravings, they're all part of your personal story. So if you're feeling those familiar aches or suddenly craving pickles and chocolate in the same sitting, go ahead and wonder. Dream a little. Just don't stress too much about what it all means. You'll know soon enough. And trust me, the moment you do, it won't matter how many signs pointed in the right or wrong direction. That baby will be perfect either way. If this video brought you a bit more clarity, or just helped you enjoy the mystery a little more, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what signs you've noticed and what your intuition says. Is it a boy or a girl? And remember, my favorite baby products are linked right in the description. They're safe, high quality, and ones I truly trust. Take a look when you finish watching. See you soon, and take care on this beautiful journey.